guys, how are you? It's Lindy and welcome to a new video. Today's video I'm going to show you guys how I try to make my hair look good, because this is like the state my hair is in every morning when I wake up, and it is not okay. Like, it goes up in all different directions, and the hair like here, this is always such a weird spot, but this just like sticks right up, and the other side as well, but here's just worse. I don't know, it's terrible. So today I'm going to show you guys how I do my hair, because I've also got a lot of questions about it. And if you hear any noises in the background, that's Pablo. He's playing right now. You know, he sleeps all day, but once I turn the camera on, he starts to play. So yeah. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I do my hair, then please keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to wet my hair, because that just makes it a little easier to work with. So I'm just gonna do that right now. I can't focus with Pablo just like chasing his toys right now. So I'm gonna do it right now. Be right back. So, step one completed. So now that my hair is wet, or at least towel dry, I'm just taking a comb and I'm just going to comb my hair in the directions that I want them to go, obviously. So what I always like is my hair to go this side. I don't know why, I just think that suits me the best. So I'm just gonna comb my hair to that side. And this here. This is weird, and God, my hair goes in so many weird directions, because this just goes there, but then the hair is over here. You need to go like forward. So you kind of need to like figure out in which way your hair grows, because that's kind of the way you need to go. So this like this, and here it goes like from back to front, and then like that. And if your hair is getting dry, you can just spritz a little water in there. Gorgeous! Whoop, whoop, whoop. So now that my hair is in like the way I want it to be, I'm going to take my magic stuff. It's right here, so let me grab it. Ta-da! So this is the stuff I always put in my hair, and it's called Rep/Set Mousse. And this is a hair mousse, but it's not the same as the hair mousse that like makes your hair very scrunchy and hard. You know, the ones where you just push the little button and it just squirts out. It's a different type of mousse, because this contains a lot of water, and this doesn't make your hair feel very hard, which is a good thing, because I don't really like the feeling of having like scrunchy hair. So yeah, this is the stuff that I put in my hair. You don't need to use this brand, there are a lot of different brands, but I would kind of recommend getting a cheaper brand. This one was €6, because you're gonna use a lot of this, like a whole lot of this. So you know, you don't want to be spending like 30 bucks every month. So yes, this is the stuff I'm gonna use, and I'm just gonna put it in my hair. So let me show you guys. Just making an Instagram thumbnail. Oh my god. Gonna do my hair. As you can see, it's a lot. Then I'm just taking my hands. Some people like to use a comb, but I just like to take my hands. And then I'm just gonna, you know, work it into my hair. And I normally do this before I do my makeup, because it can get a little bit messy. But you know, I didn't want you guys to have to look at my not so pretty face the entire video, so I just put the makeup on. But yeah, just work it into your hair to the direction you want it to go, of course. And like, I have like these weird hairs in the back, so I'm just taking a little bit more. I'm gonna work those on those hairs right there. And also in the back of my neck, because those hairs want to stay up straight as well for some reason. So now that my hair is like entirely soaked in this hair product, I'm taking the comb again, but I'm taking the wider side. And I'm just gonna comb it into the direction that I want it to go. And this is optional, but I just like how it looks when I get like those streaks in my hair, if you know what I mean. I just think that looks kind of cute, makes it a little bit more interesting. So, and also the back of my hair, of course. So what I now like to do is I just want my hair to lay flat, because it's laying pretty flat right now, but if I would just let it dry like this, it would just like stand up straight again, and that's not what we want. So I have two different methods of how you can do this, and the first method is like taking a wig cap, and you can just like place it on your head. Let me show you guys. Whoa. Be sure not to like ruin everything you've just done. Like this. And I actually like to use two, but I don't have the second one right here. So you do it like this, and then you wait for your hair to like dry, and then it's just gonna lay a little bit more flat. And I do like this method because it's pretty easy, but at the same time it's kind of annoying because like right here, your hair kind of gets those dents, because this is like the edge of the wig cap and this doesn't cover your entire hair. So you get dents right here, and at the back of your hair, as you can see, you also get dents right there. So you can use it, it is easy and fast, but it doesn't really give the best result. Whew. Let me just comb it in the right direction again. So the method that I like more is actually taking a scarf, a beautiful scarf, and this is of course a very real Chanel scarf. Exactly my aesthetics, I love it so much, it fits me perfectly. And what I just do is I take the scarf and I wrap it around my head. So, you know, wrap, mousse, wrap it around my hair. It all makes sense now. Taking a scarf and like folding it in a triangle, you can see. And then I'm just gonna use my teeth for some reason. And just gonna wrap it around my hair. So pull it to the back. And I'm just trying to make it as tight as possible. And just wrap it around again. And make little knots. Wow, beautiful! So when you're tying the knot, you kind of want to make sure that it's not laying on your hair like it's laying right now. So I'm kind of moving a little bit towards my forehead, because otherwise you get a dent in your hair and that's not really a good look. So it's like wrapped around my hair. So now you just want to let this sit on your hair for... Normally I let it sit for... Everybody's so loud today, it's actually annoying. I like to let this sit on my hair for about like half an hour. Sometimes when I'm in a rush you do 15 minutes, but you know, half an hour is like best, or even longer. Normally what I do is I do my hair and then I start doing my makeup, and once my makeup's finished I take the thing off my head and then it's fine. Some people even leave it on the hair overnight, so they do their hair at the evening and then in the next morning they take it off, but you know, I don't really feel like doing that. So yeah, I'm just gonna let this sit for half an hour, time to do something productive or something, and then I'll be right back in 30 minutes. So it has been a little over half an hour and I've done a lot of productive things. I ate something, I played with Pablo, and I played PlayStation. So yeah, productivity, I love it. So now I'm just gonna take this beautiful thing off my head. So let's see what's underneath it. Oh my god. So yeah, this is what my hair is looking like right no. Ho, 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 ho. Okay, sorry. But yeah, this is my hair. This is the end result of my hair. Honestly, I really love how this looks. It looks a lot better than when I wake up in the morning. People always say that if you have short hair, you almost don't need to do anything about your hair. But honestly, this I do every day. And when I had longer hair, I didn't do anything at all. So it does take a little bit of work, but honestly, it's not that bad, you know. And it looks cute. So this actually does stay in place the entire day, which is amazing because I don't want to do my hair again like in a few hours. The only thing that if you touch your hair, those little streaks that I got, you know, those comb streaks, they are gonna get lost. That's the only thing, so don't touch your hair. But you can also just put some like hairspray in your hair. That's normally what I do when I go out or something, because that just makes sure that it really stays in place. But I don't really want to put like hairspray in my hair every day because I feel like that's pretty damaging. So I just use this method. Yeah. Oh my god. So yeah guys, this is how I try to make my hair look good. I hope you guys liked it. You can also use this method if you have longer hair. You don't need to have short hair, but it's just really easy for short hair. Also, I didn't come up with this method myself. It is a very popular method. I've seen a lot of YouTube videos of people doing this, and also a few people have actually told me that this was a good way to style my hair. So the credit doesn't really go to me, it goes to people all around the world. But yeah, I really hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and please follow me on Instagram. And I really hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye bye!